These keys represent the freedom of driving.
Freedom to go where you want, when you want.
And there are two types of drivers, those that don't call CarShield,
And those that do.
which begs the question, what's in your driveway?
CarShield has saved our customers thousands of dollars.
CarShield helped me save over $1,200.
I've saved nearly $7,000.
I've saved over $20,000.
You see, when you don't call CarShield, you're the one stuck paying the repair bills when your out-of-warranty vehicle breaks down.
But with CarShield, you get protection on up to 5,000 parts and systems and help to get those repairs paid, saving you big dollars when it matters most.
CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company and has helped save more drivers more money on car repairs than anyone else. With one simple call, you could unlock an affordable monthly plan and your price lock guarantee. Getting covered car repairs paid has never been so easy. Call now for your free quote.
More drivers are keeping their vehicles on the road longer, which is a great way to save money.
But it also means putting yourself at risk for more wear and tear on your vehicle, making breakdowns inevitable.
If you ask me, the only thing left for you to do is to call CarShield before a breakdown to see just how much money you could save when it happens.
Like these fine folks.
With CarShield, saving the $2,700 has been a real blessing.
CarShield administrators helped me save $900.
I've saved over $8,000-something.
Life's full of choices. Now it's time for you to make an easy one.
Before you pick up your keys again, call CarShield and get the money-saving protection they offer you on your out-of-warranty vehicle.
Or don't, and risk paying thousands for those car repairs when they happen.
Protect what's in your driveway like we do. Call now.
Call CarShield now and get a protection plan you can trust. Don't wait for your out-of-warranty vehicle to break down. Call CarShield for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call now. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.